Carnage as the Jamaica Labour Party retains power in landslide election victory. This video is brought to you by Fountain Mighty Roots.
Audrey, I must commend you. Nice wig.
Wig? Darling, this is all natural. Thanks to Fountain Mighty Roots. Fountain Mighty Roots is the best hair product coming out of Jamaica. Real black Jamaican castor oil and the pimento. It gives my hair a more healthier, bouncy, richer look. Even good for the edges.
Edges? Where can I get it?
Log onto your website, fountainoil.com, and even on Amazon. Fountain Mighty Roots. It's here to save your hair. You owe it to your roots.
Rejection, carnage, landslide, and wipeout. These are some of the words being used to describe the massive victory Prime Minister-elect Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party inflicted on the People's National Party, led by Peter Phillips, on Thursday the 3rd of September, as Jamaicans voted in the country's 18th general elections. This marked the first time the Jamaica Labour Party is recording back-to-back wins in a contested general election since 1967, when it retained power, having won it in 1962. The mauling left a string of PNP bigwigs in its wake, as electors booted the likes of Peter Bunting, Dr. Wickham McNeil, Horace Daly, Dr. Fenton Ferguson, Richard Hazan, Ian Hales, Luther Buchanan, and Dayton Campbell, wiping out a significant part of the opposition's shadow cabinet. The preliminary count on Thursday night showed the Jamaica Labour Party winning 49 seats to the PNP's 14, which to some observers came as no surprise, as public opinion polls had predicted a big win for the Jamaica Labour Party. The People's National Party is now left in a quandary, as it looks to rebound quickly from the trashing. Peter Phillips, now 70 years old, told reporters on Thursday that he would retire if he lost the elections. However, several of those in the second-tiered leadership who were in line to take over, including Peter Bunting, also lost their seats. The 14 members of parliament elect on the opposition benches include newcomer Lowton Cousins, who won in southwest Clarendon. By contrast, the Jamaica Labour Party will have at least 14 first-time members of parliament, including Dr. Michelle Charles in eastern St. Thomas, Kerencia Morrison in northeast St. Catherine, Donovan Williams in central Kingston, Crystal Lee in northwest St. Anne, Philip Enriquez in northwest Clarendon, Marlon Wilson in western Westmoreland, Dwight Sibbles in north Clarendon, Nesta Morgan in north central Clarendon, and Delroy Slowly in northeast St. Elizabeth. Thursday's elections saw the lowest ever voter turnout at just 37%. The Jamaica Labour Party secured 57.1% of the votes, while the PNP got 42.8%. Some 406,085 electors cast their ballots for the JLP, while 304,372 did so for the PNP. Opinion polls had for months signaled that the JLP would win big, and in August, political commentator Kevin O'Brien Chang said that the party was on course to win 50 seats. In his acceptance speech from the JLP's Belmont Road headquarters in Kingston, Holness said he was humbled by the victory, which he said was for the people of Jamaica. He said he will not stand for corruption in his government, and he also said the party that presented the better manifesto won. The JLP had scraped home by a single seat in 2016, and Thursday's victory is an indication of the massive swing towards the party and an endorsement of its policies. The count of general election victories now stand at 9 each for the country's two main political parties. Of note is that none of the 13 independents who contested the election managed to register a win.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!